What is up everyone? Today I have a bunch of news for you. The last few days there was no video. I got absolutely overloaded with things I needed to get done and I got a little bit sick, so I'm sorry if you can hear it in my voice, but without any further ado, let's jump straight into the news. So, first piece of news that we have might be quite a big negative for quite a few of you. You guys remember, Shadow PC got taken over. As in, they filed for bankruptcy and then an investor took them in order to allow the company to survive. Unfortunately, it seems that may not have been too good for the consumers, because the Discord has recently been blowing up with people that have purchased Shadow and use it for playing cloud VR gaming, because that's what we mainly used Shadow for. We used it to play virtual reality PCVR on the Oculus Quest, completely wirelessly, no PC. So basically what it seems has happened is Shadow has not only raised their prices from $12.99, which was a very good price per month for a cloud gaming PC, to what the Discord is saying is now $30 a month for a Shadow PC, which could be hard to swallow for a lot of us. So that is quite a bit higher, and basically a lot of the people on the Discord are now switching from Shadow PC to Plutosphere. Not only that, but people on the Discord are saying that their PC is getting pushed back and pushed back and pushed back and will not be turned on until a later date. So it definitely seems like Shadow here lost out quite a bit, but maybe at least it'll keep the company afloat, and once they make more money, hopefully they'll be able to bring their prices back down again. But judging by the fact that most of the Discord is now trying to switch to Plutosphere, I don't know when or how that is going to happen. Okay, now let's go on to something a little bit more positive, because Echo VR is a game that I have been playing quite a little bit recently in my free time, and sometimes I do tend to turn off voice chat because it can be quite toxic. But for the people that aren't toxic and for the people that enjoy playing the game, Echo VR Season 2 starts June 8th. So the last time we got a season in Echo VR, well, we received quite a few little things here and there. So an Echo Pass launched in March, offering seasonal reward tracks with in-game cosmetics for progress in one of the VR's most popular sports. The seasons are expecting to last a few months before resetting, with rewards earned throughout the season offering customizations that do not offer an in-game advantage. So again, this was very important to many of us. As long as you can buy things, you can pay for cosmetics, you can pay for seasonal passes, as long as they don't give you an in-game advantage, we're good. The first season, which ended on May 23rd, added a new chassis, boosters, bracers, medals, emotes, emblems, banners, tints, patterns, tags, and titles. For Season 2, Ready at Dawn revealed some of the boosters that will be unlockable, including a ladybug and bee that look like they'll be pretty cool to blast around with in Zero G. So that is quite interesting, I won't lie to you guys. And that is starting June 8th for you guys, in case you play Echo VR quite a bit. We actually have quite a few people on the Discord that play Echo VR competitively. Not that they're negative or rude to people in the game, but they play it as an actual esport. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there. And since a lot of us like sales, I mean, yeah, come on, everything is cheaper during a sale. Steam Open World Sale includes Squadrons, Saints and Sinners, and No Man's Sky. So the latest Steam sale includes a bunch of PCVR titles with decent discounts, including Star Wars Squadrons, The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, and No Man's Sky. The sale is called the Open World Sale and features a bunch of VR and non-VR games that, you guessed it, will feature open worlds. It's live now and runs until 10 a.m. Pacific time on May 31st. So you really don't have much time to jump on this in case you want to check it out, but I'd say do check out a few of the games here. So for example, The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners is now $31.99, that's 20% off. Vacation Simulator is 25% off. No Man's Sky is 50% off. Star Wars Squadron, 60% off. Arizona Sunshine, 50% off. Trover Saves the Universe, 65% off. That's actually a good one that I want to get into. Into the Radius VR, 30% off. Thief Simulator, 33% off. Elite Dangerous, 75% off. Operencia, The Stolen Sun, 60% off. The Forest is 50% off. Guys, I love The Forest. If some of you get The Forest, we can actually do something there together. I'll start up like a server or something, but I absolutely love The Forest. I've been using it for some of my like through the lens footage nowadays. Nature Treks VR, 40% off. So do make sure to check out that sale down below in case you're interested in any of those games. Those are quite big discounts right there. Here's a pretty big one for anyone interested in VR tabletop gaming, or tabletop gaming in general. general, because tabletop gaming was quite a big thing in my friend group before the world shut down. And of course now we can't hang out anymore and do that. Not that I was ever invited to begin with, it was my friend group. But they played a lot of Dungeons and Dragons, they played a lot of these tabletop games that once again, I was never invited to. But I have some good news. Dungeon Full Dive is an upcoming tabletop gaming platform that aims to bring PC and PCVR players together in an online game to play their favorite role-playing games. That's pretty cool. Now its month-long Kickstarter campaign is over, garnering the team over $285,000 to bring the project to life. As you can see, there's quite a few people that want this to happen. Cologne, Germany-based studio TXK Gaming finished their Dungeon Full Dive Kickstarter campaign today with a total of €234,343, which was pledged by over 3,800 backers. The project was originally asking for €10,000. It's fair to say that they went a little bit above that. Dungeon Full Dive isn't a game as such, but rather a platform where enthusiasts can bring any tabletop game to life with the ability to build maps, roleplay with avatars, and walk around inside the miniature world. That sounds pretty cool. Like, a lot of people want tabletop gaming to be brought to life in virtual reality, and connecting people that don't have virtual reality with that so that they can play on PC it's a big bonus, because it allows that to expand, because not everyone has VR. But let's say you have VR and your friend doesn't. Well, you get the extra immersion, but your friend can still play with you. It's really cool, and I really enjoy more tabletop games like this coming to life. It's like I enjoy the classic games coming to virtual reality, like bowling, tennis, things like that. I always enjoy seeing normal, real-world games come to VR. And finally, we've got one more game coming to VR. Zack Snyder's Army of the Dead is getting a VR arcade experience. So that's pretty cool right there. I won't lie to you guys, I don't really play horror games or anything that could have something jump at me, because it just doesn't end well. But for any of you guys that are interested in that kind of stuff and zombie games and things like that, well, here you go. Army of the Dead, the new Zack Snyder movie streaming on Netflix, is getting a tie-in location-based VR arcade experience this summer. Army of the Dead, Viva Las Vengeance, oh that's smart, will be rolling out to select cities this summer, with tickets going on sale next week. The footage shows players hopping into the back of a truck, putting on a Valve Index headset, and then using the Striker VR rifle-shaped controllers to gun down hordes of zombies from within the vehicle. Okay, so this is more like it's a van that pulls up and you hop on in and you play it there, so it might not be something that we can actually purchase and play ourselves. Either way, that might just make it cooler, unless you don't like hopping into random vans that pull up, because that's kind of creepy. That's actually very creepy. Imagine you hop into the van, you're playing, and the van starts moving. Either way, really cool, and it's going to be interesting, because this is going to start happening more and more. In the future, I can totally see more and more of these pop-up VR arcades showing up. This pop-up arcade that kind of stops outside, you know, it's on wheels, so you can drive around. I can see that happening. I can totally see that happening. I mean, it's happened with other things before. Why not happen with VR, you know? But either way, that's pretty cool. And that is going to be all I have for you guys today. I do actually have a few larger videos that I have been working on for the past few days for you guys. I just need to wait to release them. So that's going to be quite exciting right there. Another thing, just before we finish the video, YouTube has actually removed all analytics from the 26th and 27th. Everyone on Twitter was very angry, including myself. So basically, anybody that subscribed during those 2 dates, you've been unsubscribed. So just check out down below in case you want to be subscribed, whether you are still subscribed, because yeah, you're gone. And we have no explanation. And they said they fixed it, but they didn't, of course. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day or night. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too. But please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of our community, make sure to check out our Discord down below. Make sure to check out our Reddit, where I want to see you posting your spice memes. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick merch down below that doesn't put a huge ad in your body, and mugs that boost your FPS by 300%. And if you guys want to be notified of future content coming up on the channel daily, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you guys next video. Peace.